Hello students and staff, welcome back to PTTV. I'm Ava Russell.
And I'm Andrea White. We're back this week with more informative and exciting news for you. It's been a joy the last 2 months watching our football team go. Friday, our boys finished their regular season undefeated, 10-0. They ripped through all their opponents and now are on their road to state.
With that being said, we're heading straight to sports.
It's crazy to believe we've already covered a full season. Last week, our football team took on Russellville and are now undefeated in the regular season. That gives us home field advantage for playoffs. On Friday, we play Breckenridge here at home for the first playoff game. And shout out to Shep Esper for having a perfect kicking record of 72 without missing a single extra point this season.
Next, we'd like to congratulate junior Peyton Toon for being named first team golf all-region. Peyton was one of the 5 to receive this honorable title. Finally, we have news for all girls who are interested in playing softball. PTHS softball team is having open practice every Tuesday and Thursday, weather permitting, from 6:30 to 8:30. The field is located right across from the Brooks Stadium. Teams message Mia Bobbitt or Andrea White for more information. That's all we have for sports.
Thanks, Ava. Let's fill those stands this weekend and support our undefeated team.
And don't forget to buy your tickets for Charlie Brown. The show is coming up very soon, November 17th through the 19th. Please come support our talented actors and actresses.
Another update. Huge congratulations to Coach Wynn and our cross-country team for placing 3rd overall at the 2A state cross-country tournament this weekend. Way to go. We understand that the team gets to cut the coach's hair for the victory. We shall see.
Now on to Autumn to see what's for lunch on Autumn's Appetite.
Dinner's ready!
Welcome to Autumn's Appetite. For today's lunch, we will have chicken tenders with a dinner roll. They're the best! The sides from today will be mashed potatoes and turnip greens. Tomorrow's lunch will be Bosco sticks with marinara. Tomorrow's sides will include lima beans. Ew, they're the worst. Friday's lunch will be a chicken sandwich. For the sides on Friday will be french fries. Next week on Monday, we will have mandarin chicken with veggie rice. The best thing they serve all week. Monday's sides will be steamed broccoli. Ugh. That's it from me, Food Division. Back to y'all.
Thanks, Autumn. Basketball season is coming up and season tickets are now available. If you're interested, contact Alicia Winslow at alicia.winslow@paducah.kyschools.us.
We wanted to take the opportunity to show off some of our very talented artists this week.
Hello, today we're here with
Angelique Hernandez.
and we're going to be talking about her art. So, what inspired you to make this piece?
It was kind of like a challenge for myself because I've never done a self-portrait, so I just decided to do myself because I had never done it, and I wanted to see if I could do it. I don't know, I really like colored pencils, so I've been doing that, so yeah.
Is there anything that has a specific meaning to you in this piece, or did you just think it looked pretty?
I just thought that it'd be more of a challenge for me because I had never ever done a self-portrait of me, so it's kind of hard when you have to look at a picture and then draw it. So yeah.
Well, thank you, Angelique. Thank you for your art and for coming on the news.
Thank you.
HOSA will host their 2nd annual Breast Cancer Awareness Walk this Friday at 3 p.m. on our track. It was postponed due to weather. T-shirts will be for sale and we hope to see everyone come out and support. Don't forget to wear your pink.
That's all for this week on PTTV.
Thanks for watching and remember, no school on Tuesday. Bye!